No bank account doesn't mean you're stuck with an uncashed check, but the wrong choice can cost you. Here are the 5 things that matter. You can cash a check without a bank account, but you're trading convenience for cost and rules. Most places will do it with no account, yet they make money on fees, not interest. Your ID is usually the make or break item, and many locations won't approve you without valid, unexpired photo ID. Also, cashing isn't always instant. Some checks get held for verification. Where the check comes from changes your options, and scams target unbanked people hard. Before you try to cash it anywhere, make sure the check itself is clean, because small mistakes can get you denied. The payee name has to match your ID exactly, including hyphens or middle initials. Check the date, since post-dated checks often can't be cashed yet. Find the issuing bank printed on the check, because that usually gives you the cheapest path. Confirm the written amount matches the numeric box. Look for altered ink, smudges, or misaligned printing, and don't endorse until the cashier tells you to. The smartest path is to choose a cashing method based on the check source, the fee structure, and how fast you truly need the money. Start with the issuing bank, because many will cash their own checks for a lower fee than retail places. Always compare percent fees versus flat fees. 2% on a $1,000 check is $20, but a $5 flat fee beats that. Retail check cashing can work, but read the fee board carefully. You can also load funds to a prepaid card or use mobile check cashing services, which may trade speed for holds. When you show up to cash the check, your goal is to stay in control of the process and the paper. Bring valid photo ID and confirm the payee name matches before you wait in line. Ask the exact fee before you sign, because once it's endorsed, you've reduced your options if you walk away. If they offer cash now versus a hold, ask how many business days the hold is. Get a printed receipt that shows the check amount and the fee, and never hand over original documents like a Social Security card. Most problems happen when people rush, so use a simple safety checklist every time. Don't sign the back early, because an endorsed check is easier to steal or misuse. Compare fees each time you cash. Small differences add up fast if you get paid weekly. Be paranoid about fake check scams, especially from online sales or mystery job offers, because a fake check can leave you owing real money. Bring unexpired ID and keep your receipt as proof. Longer term, reduce fees by shifting to direct deposit, a low-fee prepaid account, or opening a basic checking account if you can. A 2% check cashing fee on a $1,000 check is $20. And if you do that twice a month, you're spending $480 a year. BankingHub helps you compare accounts based on how you actually bank and shows the real dollar impact for your balance. It's free, takes 2 minutes, and the link is in the description.